Welcome to this channel. Bard vs ChatGPT, Battle of the AI Giants. Welcome, AI enthusiasts, to this exciting showdown between two powerful AI models Bard and ChatGPT. Bard and ChatGPT are two of the most advanced large language models, LLMs, in the world. They are both capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. But, which one is better? In this video, we'll compare Bard and ChatGPT side by side and discuss their strengths and weaknesses. We'll also talk about which one is better for different use cases and what the future holds for these two powerful LLMs. Round 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is also trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and it can perform many of the same tasks as Bard, including generating text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way, coding and debugging in a variety of programming languages, answering your questions about current events and research. However, ChatGPT has some unique strengths and weaknesses as well. For example, ChatGPT is generally better at generating creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, and musical pieces. Bard, on the other hand, is generally better at answering questions in a comprehensive and informative way. Round 2. Bard. Now, let's meet Bard. Bard is a large language model developed by Google AI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and it can perform a wide range of tasks, including generating text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way, coding and debugging in a variety of programming languages, answering your questions about current events and research. Bard is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including it will try its best to follow your instructions and complete your requests thoughtfully. It will use its knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. It will generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. It will try my best to fulfill all your requirements. Round 3. Use cases. Now that we've seen what each AI brings to the table, let's compare them head to head. Which LLM is better for you depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for a model that can generate creative text formats or help you with your coding, then ChatGPT is a good option. If you're looking for a model that can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, then Bard is a good option. Features of each. Both Bard and ChatGPT have a wide range of features, but here are a few of the most notable. Text generation. Both Bard and ChatGPT can generate text in a variety of formats, including articles, blog posts, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, and letters. Translation. Both Bard and ChatGPT can translate text between over 100 languages. Creative writing. Both Bard and ChatGPT can generate creative text formats, such as poems, code, scripts, and musical pieces. Question answering. Both Bard and ChatGPT can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. Coding. Both Bard and ChatGPT can code and debug in a variety of programming languages. Round 4. The future. What does the future hold for Bard and ChatGPT? Advancements. Both models will continue to evolve, offering even better performance. Applications. Expect to see these AIs integrated into more real-world applications. Customization. Users may gain more control over fine-tuning these models for specific tasks. In the end, choosing between Bard and ChatGPT depends on your specific needs. ChatGPT excels in text-based tasks, while Bard is your go-to for multimodal projects. Keep an eye on both as they continue to shape the future of AI. That's a wrap for today's showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of AI.